Welcome to another 2-minute room tour of room number 9230 at Saratoga Springs Resort. This is in the Grandstand building. This is actually the second time we've stayed in this room. We enter in here through the main door into the living space. Nice large dining room table, lots of light switches and fan controls in both rooms. The kitchen is full, has everything you could need. A full-size fridge and freezer. Go ahead and fill up those ice trays when you first get there. The water is not bad for Florida water. We tested it. It tasted fine. You've got a dishwasher. You've got all of the silverware, plates, everything you could need. Coming into the living room, this pulls down into a Murphy bed. This is an update. It's beautiful. It folds away during the day. We didn't even know it was there on the first trip into this villa. We've got a coffee table here that lifts up for storage, as well as I think it's supposed to lift up towards the coffee table in case you're eating dinner on it. And then we've got another built-in pull-down Murphy bed hidden away here in the TV stand. This is more of a twin-size bed. These are so much more comfortable than the old pull-out beds and pull-out chairs that used to be in the villas. Nice balcony. This one just goes off of the living room, does not extend to the main bedroom. And you've got your Hey Disney app. Very cute decor. Washer and dryer in every DVC villa that's larger than a studio villa. Heading into that main bedroom, plenty of storage in the dresser here. This is very spacious, well laid out, outlets on both sides of the bed. These windows with the same view as the balcony but do not open. Let's head in and check out this bathroom design. The bathroom kind of loops around, so you've got a full tub here, sink, and then a linen closet we'll head back to, and then it opens up into where the shower, another sink, and water closet are accessible from the main living space. So this linen closet just has extra pillows and blankets, your ironing board, and then you've got a nice spacious shower. This does come with Disney amenities included: shampoo, body wash, and conditioner, separate toilet, and then we loop back out into the living space. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.